Well, honey, this is what happened, but you weren't here, so you missed it. It is officially the best time of the day.
Oh, yeah.
Even though it's as hot as monkey balls.
I can hear the box.
It really is. Didn't you ever play that game?
No.
All right. What do you got there, sir?
Well, as you know,
I was going to call you Sailor.
As you know, I frequent raves and all-night parties. And this is
What? That is so hot.
Yeah.
I freaking love that.
I'll be incorporating this into an outfit.
You have to.
Is your name Stefan? And Lena Stefan?
Oh my God, honey! You need to get like 3 or 4 more of those. I will make you.
Grease tonight?
I will make you a monkey suit
Cool.
so that you could do like some monkey dance, break dancing.
This is pretty neat.
Yeah, it is pretty neat. What is it called?
Electroluminescent wire, or EL wire.
Okay. And how many batteries are in there?
2, but you see, I expect this to break because it's cheap Chinese crap. And the battery holder is not that good.
Well, I think it's cool. I want a monkey suit because I want to do some monkey top rock.
Oh, it's cool when it works, definitely.
Yeah. I just love that. It was relatively cheap too. Did you say how much?
It was like $6, $7.
Yeah, including shipping?
Yeah, it was Prime, baby.
Oh, you got it from Amazon?
Yeah,
I freaking love that.
you too.
I could really do some cool stuff with that. All of which you probably won't see because I'll never get around to it. No, I will try. We'll do some cool stuff, right?
No, it's going on my bicycle.
Sorry for the wind noise, but that giant air conditioner is on over there and it's a little loud. I don't know if that's where it's gonna stay or not, but it's there for now. I think what was it, like 99 degrees today?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, so hot. So, yeah. I was just in a pool of sweat. I didn't get to work out today because I was putting the air conditioner, fixing it in the window, so because it's just got a hose. But we have crank windows and it's kind of hard to work with those because
We should get like a dryer vent.
we should get a dryer vent and just put it in the wall. It comes with this thing over here. It came with this thing. Look at that. It's like a little cap and it says that you could drill a hole in the wall and put that on the outside. What do you think about that, sir?
I think it's a little flimsy. I'd rather have something made
Yeah,
out of
but
metal.
that has holes in there. You could screw it in.
I know, but I'd rather have something out of metal.
All right, well, it's a start, right?
Oh, yes.
All right.
Sam?
Chi-Chi, are you hungry? Pajama Sam is very loud, isn't it, Kristen? 4 different foods for 4 different pets. And yes, it's 8:20. Maddie and I just finished editing her first Hollywood Chatter, so if you haven't already seen that, go watch that. I'll put a link right here. And yeah, it's time to cook dinner. Looks like it's gonna be an eat what you can find night. Yeah, you had some leftover grape leaves, but that's what we had for lunch. Are you hungry, puppy?
I had a chicken patty.
Oh, you had a chicken patty? That sounds pretty good. Maybe I'll have a fake chicken patty. I was going to make Grandma Nana's recipe that she sent for the Special K loaf, but it is a little hot and it's a little bit late right now. If I made it out on the porch in the toaster oven that's out there, it wouldn't be a big deal. But hopefully I'm going to try and give that a try tomorrow. And I think there's pandemonium in the other room. I think we better feed the pets before a fight breaks out. And eat what we can find. Oh, hi. Is that a Hollywood Chatter superstar?
No.
No, it's plain old Maddie.
Just going swimming.
Lucky you. I got a zillion things to do. Maybe we'll go swimming tomorrow. We'll give everybody a pool update. We're going swimming tomorrow. We're going to give everybody a pool update from the pool tomorrow.
Oh, we are?
Yes. All right, go have fun. Bye. Bye. Oh, what? You brought back a fascinator from London?
No, Kristen did.
Kristen threw this on your head and said, "Look, it's a fascinator." It's pretty fascinating. I have to say it's probably better than some of the ones I've actually seen.
What?
Yeah, hello? Do I have to remind you? Royal wedding? Randy
Actually,
and these
when you
kids,
put
come
it-
on.
When you put it on the side like that, it does kind of look like it's supposed to be that.
It's a really cheap one though.
Why? I think it looks fancy.
Really?
As far as fascinators go.
Alright. It's very windy in here.
Stick a feather on it and you're done.
How was the pool, by the way?
Delicious.
Nice. What'd you find for dinner?
I'm making a California veggie burger wrap.
Oh, well, I'm having some cucumbers, salad, and some ghetto pizza. But at least it's got fresh mozzarella from over here. This mozzarella looks really good. Report on it.
Good.
I already ran out of glue stick.
Alright, I have a whole bunch of glue sticks downstairs, okay? I have 6 or 7 in my drawer.
Are you a nurse or something?
Yes.